Why teachers are important in society? Did you ever realize how teachers are important for the building up of the society? Have you ever thought only teacher can bring best personality in a student? Just imagine the unique power of teacher's role. If you are a teacher or if you respect a teacher, please watch till the end and please share, like and subscribe to bring the change in the society. Why teachers matter? Children carry what they are taught at a young age throughout the rest of their lives. They will use what they have learned to influence society. We all know that today's youth will become tomorrow's leaders, and teachers have access to educate this youth in their most impressionable life, whether that is teaching extracurricular activities, sports, in a traditional classroom. Teachers have the ability to shape leaders of the future in the best way for society to build positive and inspire future generations and therefore design society both on a local and global scale. In reality, teachers have the most important job in the world. Those who have an impact on the children of society have the power to change lives, not just for those children themselves, but for the lives of all. How teachers can bring change in a student's life? Great teachers have the ability to change lives for the better. Teachers can act as a support system that is lacking elsewhere in a student's life. They can be a role model and an inspiration to go further and to dream bigger. They hold students accountable for their successes and failures, and good teachers won't let their talented students get away with not living up to their full potential. Teachers of all walks of life and subjects have the ability to shape opinions and help form ideas about society, life, and personal goals. Teachers can also expand students' limits and push their creativity. Teaching is a tough job, but it is the one where you can make the most impact in another person's life. Teacher is a role model for students. Teachers are the ultimate role models for students. The fact that students come into contact with many different types of teachers in the academic career means that more likely than not, there will be a teacher that speaks to them. The teacher student connection is invaluable for some students who may otherwise not have that stability. Teachers will stay positive for their students even when things can seem grim. A great teacher always has compassion for their students, understanding of the students' personal lives, and appreciation for their academic goals and achievements. Teachers are role models for children to be positive, always try harder, and reach for the stars. They provide the power of education. Knowledge and education are the basis for all the things that can be accomplished in life. Teachers provide the power of education to today's youth, thereby giving them the possibility for a better future. Teachers simplify the complex and make abstract concepts accessible to students. Teachers also expose children to ideas and topics that they might otherwise not have come into contact with. They can expand on interests and push the students to do better. Teachers don't accept failure, and therefore, students are more likely to succeed. Teachers know when to push students, when to give a gentle nudge in the right direction, and when to let students figure it out on their own. But they won't let a student give up. Unique guidance from teacher. Teachers provide guidance to students of all types. Teachers are able to see each child's strengths and weaknesses and can provide assistance and guidance to either get them up to speed or push them higher. They will help to reveal students' best skills and teach valuable life skills as well, such as communication, compassion, presentation, organization, following directions, and more. They are also a source of inspiration and motivation. Teachers inspire students to do well and motivate them to work hard and keep their academic goals on track. Strong dedication and commitment. One of the most important parts of teaching is having dedication. Teachers not only listen but also coach and mentor the students. They are able to help shape academic goals and are dedicated to getting their students to achieve them. Teachers have patience for their students and are understanding when a concept isn't taking. Teachers do what they do because they want to help others. They are not teaching for recognition or for a pay, but because they have a passion for youth and education. Teachers typically believe in the power of education and the importance of providing children with good role models and are teaching because of that belief. They are dedicated to the cause. Finally, teachers' dedication is shown by their round the clock work habits. Teachers don't stop working when the school bell rings. They are grading papers, making lessons, and communicating with parents after school and on weekends. Most teachers arrive earlier than school starts to set up their day and provide extra assistance to struggling students. Teachers play a great role in the economic development of the country. Education is a fundamental aspect in the development of a country. If the youth of a society is educated, a future is born. Teachers provide the education that improves the quality of life, therefore, bringing so much to both individuals and society as a whole. Teachers increase productivity and creativity of students and therefore of future workers. When students are pushed to be creative and productive, they are more likely to become entrepreneurial and make technological advances, ultimately leading to economic development of a country. Together, let us all respect the teachers and give high value in a society. Last but not least, coordination of parent with teachers brings in a great personality to the society. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe to bring the change in the society.